Hey everybody, I'm out of the hospital and home, walking outside, enjoying life. I want to thank all of you for the support that you've given me. I got so many wishes, for good health, and encouragement to take it easy, and don't come back to work too soon. I'm feeling good. I was in hospital for 5.5 days. I got out 1 week ago, and I've been taking it slowly, just not working 10, 12 hours a day like I used to. Saw the cardiologist yesterday, and she says I'm doing well. There is some damage to the heart muscle that hopefully will heal. And that my heart will be back in full operation. Anyway, I am so grateful to still be here, to be able to talk to you. Want to tell you what I learned. The biggest thing I learned is just that I'm not a Superman. I've been healthy for all my life. I hardly ever get sick, never get the flu or anything. Maybe a couple of times in my adult life have I been laid up for more than a day. So I had the feeling that, didn't matter what I ate, and that I'd be okay because I have a good constitution. But ultimately, we all are subject to aging. And 4 years ago, I had a doctor's appointment for the first time in 18 years, and I was told I had high cholesterol and that I should deal with it with medication, and I didn't. 4 years later, I'm in the emergency room with not being able to breathe very well, and just pressure in my chest, and ended up getting 5 stents. So that means that 5 of the arteries, or 5 places in the arteries of my heart, were really severely blocked, and they opened them up using a very special procedure and put in these tubes that keep the blood flow going. Anyway, I am lucky that I got there in time, that I didn't wait any longer. She said it could have caused much more damage to my heart if I had waited. But I certainly waited to deal with, the cholesterol. So I'm not an expert on anything other than Archicad and architect marketing. I am blessed with a good health, and I'm so glad to be able to help all of you with my gifts and my teaching. So thank you all again. Just wanted to let you know I'm doing all right. I'll be back with some more training and things on my YouTube channel soon. I really love doing it. I really love doing that for all of you. It gives me great pleasure when I create a tutorial and it's well crafted, and I know I explain things in a way that makes so much sense. So thanks again for being in my world. It sounds like I'm getting a lot of wind noise right now. So by the way, this is my neighborhood here, just a couple of blocks away from home. And I've been doing a lot of walking, just like this. So take care of yourself, keep learning and growing, and I will be back with more to share with you soon. And my love and appreciation.